Hello everybody and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can make your profile private. So first of all, open up your Instagram. Once you're in Instagram, you want to head off to your profile. Once you're in your profile, over here as you can see, you want to go to settings. Once we're in settings, it seems like we have a little bit of a notification. We're going to ignore that for now, but once we press on this top three lines, and then we're gonna head off to settings. Once we head off to settings, over here you can see you have themes. That's not really necessary. What we want to head off to is privacy. Over in privacy, you can see you can limit your interactions. You can make sure people can't comment on your posts and all that. So over here, we just want to make enable private account, and then we just want to press on switch to private, and then we just want to cancel that. We don't need to review our followers, and that's basically it. Our account is now private, so if anyone wants to try and view our account from the outside, they'll see this account as private. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.